Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. It's Saturday. We've got the work all done. It's relatively good weather, tropical storm mood for now. So the first part of our day is going to be switching to the new wheels on the Firebird. We've got two used but good tires that we're going to have on the front, and then we've got our new Firestone Indy 500 Firehawks we're going to put on the back. So we'll get everything arranged here, get our sister's car out of the way, pull this up, get the new wheels on. Then later today we're going to go see our friend Ted, and maybe stop at a couple Walmarts to check for NASCAR, and then check out a car show in New Smyrna Beach. So hang in there. This is the start of the day. Alright everybody, so we got one on here. What do you think, Bear? Got one on. We went ahead and we went and greased our upper ball joint, lower ball joint, and tie rod in, since we're there, because you can't really reach them.
Yeah, exactly.
On these wheels you might be able to get to them. The 16s you couldn't get to the grease point. You might be able to do it here. Look at that red caliper just popping out.
Yeah, really pops out.
Man.
Good. Okay, yep.
So can't wait to get them on the rear. We're really liking it so far.
Yeah.
And if you punch in the measurements for this tire compared to the 245s, let's see, 245 50/16, there is 1.5 inches more width with the 17s. So, but these still have a lot of tread on them, so we're looking at different ways to recycle these good tires, because they have some dry ride on them. We could put them on the sister's car, but I think they're a little bit too low. Yeah, I think they're a little bit too low profile.
Yeah.
Plus they have a little bit of cracking and dry rot. But look at the profile here. You know, it fits better into the fender.
Yeah,
See, look at that. See how nice and flat it is with the fender. You see a little bit poking out there. So the rears are gonna look beautiful. Yeah. So yeah, I can't wait to. You know, this like that, and look how nice it is. You know, the rim.
Yeah.
So you'll have to be more careful when I'm driving it and when you're driving it, because if we catch a curb, it's chewing up that beautiful rim. Whereas those wheels are like 7.5s, I think. Yeah, just look at the difference here. This gives you a good. Look at that size difference. So it's stuck in the corner really well. I'm talking in half sentences here. It's stuck in the corner really well with those tires. So I'm sure these should not disappoint at all. Yeah. So I'll show you what we're going to do on this side. Our calipers are dirty, so we'll clean that up. And let's kind of take a look around, make sure everything's nice. Our new rack and pinion's nice and dry. The old one was leaking, remember? That's a video coming up, right, Bear? The rack and pinion for this?
Yep. Actually, it's already up.
Is it already up?
Yeah, rack and pinion is already up.
My bad. So lower ball joints, and for whatever reason this is real crusty, so we're going to clean that up, put anti-seize on there, clean up our calipers, lower ball joint, or tie rod in ball joint. It looks a little low. So anyways, using our Pittsburgh low profile jack. So yeah, can't wait to get it on here. Cool. Hey everybody, Todd with the Combustion Guys here. We have a dirty caliper here. We're putting new wheels on the Firebird, and the easiest way for me to clean these calipers, since we got the wheel off, makes it easy. Super clean, all wheel cleaner. Let's see how it does. Get a little wet first. If we don't want to put new or different wheels on here and have it all nice and pretty on the outside, and then a dirty red caliper on the outside. And this is the easiest way, rather than taking a toothbrush through the spokes of your wheel. Just take it in here. I'm going to be careful if there's any grease on here. Don't want to really mix that into your good wheel brush. Now we've already done one wheel and brake caliper, so once we get done cleaning here, we'll take you over to that side. Look at that. Our red calipers are good to go. Hey Bear, why don't you take them to the other side, see what they look like.
There you guys go. Look at that beautiful red caterpillar poking out there. Isn't that beautiful, guys? So cool. Nice. And also, go back here. That's what they looked like before there. Nasty. Ugh. A lot of dust. And then, afterwards, a lot better.
Hello everybody, we're getting ready to turn over 200,000 miles on a 96 Firebird, and of course it's going to rain, and original, see if we need to get a picture of that. We'll get it next time, that'd be cool. And so we got like 0.8 miles to go here, 200,000 miles, original motor, original transmission, no rebuild to either. And once we get past 0.5 to go, we'll have Bear put the camera over here and let you watch it do the flip. We got 0.8 right now, and it's raining. This must be that storm cell that we just lost.
We lost, and then it came back, and then it left again, and yeah,
Who knows? Too. These are not the original wipers, although they do sound like it.
Pretty bad wipers.
Alright, moment of silence. 0.3. Ever so slowly to camera. A GoPro near you, 0.7. Oh. 0.8. Oh. 0.9. Here he goes. Here he goes. Here he goes. Here he goes. 200,000. There it is! Woohoo! So everybody, if you did your shopping right, when you bought your LT1 4th gen F-body, it will get you to 200,000 miles if you take care of it. So, yeah. Good old GM vehicles. That was fun.
Dependability.
Dependability.
That's pretty cool.
You gotta take care of it. That's the stock rear end too.
Oh yeah, that's even better.
Important.
Wow.
And the Chick-fil-A coming in. Thanks for watching, guys, on this vlog. Well, you know, we got one more stop to make.
One more.
One more.
Whoa!
Walmart Express.
Yep. Choo-choo!
Alright, everybody, so we forgot to do this because we're lazy and dumb and whatever. But here is the car. The chassis is all settled. We got the tires on there. And really liking the way it looks so far. Seems to ride good, no issues so far. But yeah, the fitment's still a little bit different just with the way the body is here. It'd be nice if the tires pulled out a smidge more, but we have to run either a spacer or a wider wheel, and that's not really that important. So we noticed one little weird thing, braking on the right side where it sounds like it's rubbing. So I'm thinking it's the fender liner, but I'm not totally sure. And maybe just the scrubbing there. Yeah, I need to get it aligned. But yeah, I don't know. Oh, is it? Oh, that's different scuff. I don't know what that is.
No, that can't be the scuff because it was on the rear.
Yeah, that's true. There's something that's over there. So yeah, I don't know. It doesn't seem like there's anything close enough. So I'm not sure what's rubbing. To tell you the truth. I don't know. So I'm not really sure what our rub is, but definitely got some kind of plastic issue there. So anyways, this is what it looks like. And we're happy with it so far.